Good morning, friends. Today, this is the second lecture on sketch and constraints, module 2. Today, we will start with this drawing. Let us start. So, here right click, select new component, then turn on the origin, select the top plane here or go here, select XY plane, right click, create a sketch, then check the drawing here. See, this circle diameter is 24 and here arc radius is R30. So we will draw here, selecting the origin and giving the value as 24. Then here, go here. Here in the arc command, you can see there are three different options. You will select center point arc, select the center point arc, click the origin point, then first endpoint and second endpoint, then define the radius value as R30. The next, if you look at here, here there is a profile which is having this end R30 and the included angle is 30 degree, and if you look at this center point and this center point are aligned vertically, then um, so we will make this slot. There is a command called 3-point arc slot. So go here, create slot. Here you can see so many different options are there. So we will be using the 3-point arc slot. So select 3-point arc slot, then click the this some point here, then second point. So to define arc, you need to define the third point, then drag towards the fourth point, right? Then you give the radius as R10, 10, then then what you can do is you can give this distance. This arc and this center point is common, that is concentric. You can give concentric, select this arc point, arc and this circle, so that then you can do one thing, horizontal vertical, select this point and this point, you can make it horizontal vertical. Then here it is given R60, so we will do in the same way, dimensioning we will do in the same way how it is given in your drawing. So you can go for mirror, then double click on this, also select the center point. So I forgot to do one thing, we will draw a small center line in this direction. Then select the line and press X, then mirror, double click on this and select this line also, then go to mirror line, then select the center line, then OK. Now what we can do is we can give the angle value. So sketch dimension D, you can press D for sketch dimension. This point, this center point and this point, then you can give the value as 30 degree. Then this radius value as 60. Then you can offset this, but instead of that we will create again one more slot. So go to here, slot, 3-point arc slot. Once again you select this, so directly you can select this center point, and just draw something outside here. Then later we will give right dimension here. So just to draw this shape, then you can give concentric, select this and this, you can give concentric, then give the here this value as R14, R14. Then what is next? Okay, here there is a vertical line and here there is a arc which is having radius 12. So you can just draw one line here, then again create arc. This time we will create 3-point arc, just draw first point, second point and third point, something like this. Then you can give the radius first D, and give the radius as 12, right? Then this you can move somewhere here, then give tangent, this and this tangent. Here again this arc to this also tangent. Then use coincident, this point is coincident with the arc, again this is coincident with this. Then you can trim the unwanted portion here, trim this. Then now what we will do is we'll use tangent, this line is tangent with this curve. Then again coincident, select this point is coincident with this. Then what you can trim, press shortcut key T and select this 1, 2 and 3 portions, you can trim it. Now we are going to mirror the this profile here. Go to mirror, then select one by one. This time we are not going to double click. Select these this 4 portions, this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 portions. Then go to select mirror line and select this line, then OK. Now here there is a we will use coincident constraint, this and this one coincident. Now next portion, that is here there is a arc, again R12, and here 2 circles, that is dia 12 and R15. So we will draw that first. So here one circle, another one more circle. So this is dia 12 and R15. Press D. This is dia 12. This is okay. So this is actually this is R15. So select the circle, right click, then go to radius and give the value as 15, R15, R15. Then here there is a curve, draw that curve also, create arc, 3-point arc, click this point, second point here, third point somewhere here. Then use coincident this point and this coincident. Then also you can give tangent this. Then horizontal vertical, we can give this point and this point horizontal vertical, horizontal vertical, then this horizontal vertical. That be like this. Then so this is 14, automatically it will maintain. So from here to here it is 37. Do that dimension first. From here, this here to here it is 37. Now what we will do is we will mirror these circles also. Mirror this, select mirror line, this one. Then okay. Then see this center point to here it is 54. This is 54. Then this one is R12. Now you can draw one more curve here. Create arc, select arc, 3-point arc. Then first point somewhere here, second point here, and third point here. Then use coincident. This point is coincident on this. This point is coincident on this circle. Then you use tangent. Select the curve and the arc, the circle here. Again this tangent. Now one more dimension you have to give. That is R60. Give this value as press D and give this value as R60. Then trim all the unwanted portions. Go to trim. This circle you can trim it. This circle you can trim it. So this figure is completely completed. Finished sketch. Now what you can do is you just check the property here. You can see that 7179.999 millimeter squared, the area of the sketch enclosed. So somehow if you made any mistake, you can check whether it is correct or not. So just try this. The area is 7179.999 millimeter squared. So let us do the next exercise. Next exercise is this one. So we will locate the origin here, then draw the dia 36 and dia 60. Dia 36 and dia 60. C. Press C. Click the origin point. Dia 36. Press C. Dia 60. Then here there is a curve that is R64. So what we will do, we will go to create arc, center point arc, select the center point, just draw a arc. Then this you can select the arc and press X and click on the screen, then give the radius value as R60. Then here the center, there are three circles. This circle, this diameter is 4 circles, all 4 holes, dia 12. So what you can do is you can create one circle over here, another one more circle here, another one circle here. So this you can give equal this 1, 2, and 3 equal, and this diameter is dia 15, dia 12, dia 12, and this is vertically aligned. So give horizontal vertical, select this point and this point vertical. Similarly, this point and here this is vertical, and this distance is 125, 125 from the origin point here. So press D, and select this from here to here. It is 125, 125. Then we are going to mirror this also. Go to mirror, select this. So before that we have to draw a small line, center line here. So just to draw a small center line, then select the line and press X. I think we will do the mirror later, so we need to draw some other profiles here. So this here one arc is there, that arc dimension is R10. So you can draw here. Center point arc we will draw. Arc, center point arc. Select the this point here and draw a arc. The dimension of this arc is R10. R10. Then here there is a curve which is R12. So again arc, 3-point arc. Then select this point or some point here. Just draw the curve like this. Then here you have to give tangent. This is tangent with this. This is tangent with here. This portion. Now you can draw here. This is R12. So create arc, center point arc. Click the center point. D, press D, and give the value as R12. Now here we will draw again one more arc, R54. So don't worry about the dimension now. Create arc, 3-point arc, first point, second point, third point. Then use tangent constraint. This arc is tangent with this. This portion is tangent with this. Now what we are going to do is we are going to mirror. So go to mirror, mirror. This curve you select, this curve, this circle. Then go to mirror line and select this. Then OK. Now we can do what you can do is coincident this point and this would coincident. Now we give the dimensions. All the dimensions we have to give is, so this is 30 degree. So go here. So press D. This point, this center point, and this is 30 degree. Then this radius is I think 12. 12, this is 12, 12, then this is R60, R54, 54. Now you can trim this portion here, press T and trim these unwanted lines. So still again will be getting the drawing with the correct dimensions. So I think all the dimensions are fully defined. Finish sketch. Then again you will check, go and click inside the figure. You will get the area as 5492.862 millimeter square. 5492.862 millimeter square. This is to check whether my approach and your approach are coinciding with or not. So we will do the next exercise. So this is our third exercise. In this we will locate the origin point here. Here we have dia 28 one circle, dia 70 another circle. So right click here, new component, turn the origin on, then select this point, create a sketch, then we will draw this circle here, that is dia 48, sorry, dia 28 and dia 70. So draw the circle, dia 28, dia 28, then dia 70, dia 70. Then there is one more construction circle, that is dia 48, dia 48. Draw the circle here. Select the circle and press X. Click on the screen. Then sorry, you can go to solid. So go here, edit sketch. This you close here. Edit this is D. Press D and give the value as 48. Then what we can do is we can draw. So here the circle is here, dia 6 numbers, dia 8. So just to draw a circle somewhere here. Okay, anywhere here you can. So this diameter is given as 8. Now you can use coincident. This point is coincident on this circle. Then horizontal vertical. Select the origin point and the origin point of this circle. Now this is 6 numbers, dia 8. Now we can pattern it. So go to create circular pattern, select this circle, then center point. When select this center point here, then give the value as 6, then OK. Next you can draw these 2 lines. So before that we will make this circle. So for that we have to do the mirror. So we will draw a center line, then draw a small line, center line at this location here. Select the line and press X. Then click on the screen to see. You can see once you select X, this line, this particular symbol will get highlighted. To otherwise you can select the line and right click. Here there is an option called Okay, uh, you can do that, or you can select this, click here, that is possible. So draw the circle, one circle here, another one more circle here. Now you can give the dimensions. Die 18, die 18. So directly I'm going to here, give the dimension over here, that is R18. This is die 18, and this is, right click here, radius, then 18, and two more dimensions. So we will draw one small line at the bottom. This distance is 84. Select the line and give the value as 84. Then, so we want to maintain this and this point symmetry. Go to here, symmetry. Select the one endpoint, second endpoint, and select the line. All right. Then from here to this center point 72, and then 30. So press D here to this, it is 72, and from here to this point it is 30. 72 and 30. 72 and 30. Then here one fillet is there, R10. So draw a create arc, 3-point arc. First point, second point, zoom it, click the third point here. Then use tangent constraint, tangent. Then give the dimension as 10, 10 here. Now we can mirror it, mirror, mirror this circle, here this second circle, this curve, select the mirror line, this is the mirror line, then OK. Then we have to, even though it shows black color, one of the dimension is not defined, that is 82. So you select this and give from here to here this as 82. Now we can draw another line 28, 28 here. So draw line, one line over here, another one more line over here. This you can give coincident, this line is coincident here, this line is coincident here. Then give the value as 28. Then we will use symmetry, symmetry about this point, and this point is symmetrical about this. Then here line is there, horizontal line, draw a line here, simply draw a line. Now you can use tangent, this is tangent with here, then coincident, coincident, this point is coincident here, again this point is coincident here. Then trim this circle unwanted portions, T, press T, you can press T and trim this, this also you can trim it. Then coincident, coincident, this point is coincident here, this also coincident here, then trim again, trim. two portion you can trim it. Then here there are fillet. The fillet value is R10 and here it is R8. So go here, select fillet. This is the option fillet. Fillet here. This is R10. Select both and give as 10. And here again fillet this portion and this here you can give as R8. So once again we will use symmetry. This line and all the lines are symmetrical about this axis. So that's it. We have completed this sketch also. Finish sketch. Now check the area is 8002.285 millimeter square. One more sketch we will do now, that is this sketch. So we will locate this origin point as our center point, this point as our center point. So here dia 26 two circle. So draw one circle here, just to draw a center line. You can make this horizontal, vertical like this. Okay, then go and select this line and press X and click on the screen. So this dia 26, press D and give the value as 26. Then you can mirror it. Mirror, select the circle, then select mirror line, then OK. Then create arc, 3-point arc, first point, second point, third point, tangent. Select the arc and circle, again this and this. Then you make coincident, this point and this point coincident, this both are coincident. Then you can mirror it. For that again you need a center line. Draw a small center line here. Select the line, press X, click on the screen, cancel. Now you can mirror again. Mirror, select the arc, go and select the center line, then OK. Now trim this, trim, trim, select this, select this. So now we have to give the dimension 46 R24. So press D. This is 46, 46. Then this is 24, 24. Next R40 one circle is there. R40. So draw, create arc, center point arc. From the center point, just draw a arc, and this dimension is R40. 40. And here there is a diameter 14 circle and R15 arc. Create arc, center point arc, click the origin point here, then draw a arc something like this. give the dimensions 75 here, 75 plus d from this point to this point it is 75. Then this is die 14, then this is R15, 15. Now one more thing, this to be aligned horizontally, vertically. So select this constraint, give this horizontal, vertical. Now here there is a arc radius 112. So draw that one. Create arc, 3-point arc. So draw somewhere here. First point, second point, and third point here. Give the radius as R112, 112. Okay. Then coincident. This point is coincident here. Again, this point is coincident on this point. Then you give tangent, this here tangent. So you can drag little bit here. Otherwise, there are possibility of getting wrong result. Give tangent again, tangent. Select this. Next, here there is a again a radius R25. You can draw that. So create arc, 3-point arc. First point, second point, third point. Then this is 25, R25. R25, R25, R25. Coincident, you can select coincident and select these 2 points. Then tangent, this curve and this one as tangent. So here this is R40, so one portion is missing here, that again you have to draw. So arc, center point arc, click the center point here, then draw a arc here. Then you can give equal this portion and this portion, you can give equal. Then coincident this point and this point coincident, and you can give tangent this curve, and here it is tangent. Now next we have to create this circle, die 18 R18, die 18 R18, press C, draw here die 18. Then create arc, center point arc, click the center point and draw the arc and give the dimension as R18, 18. Then give the dimensions. How much? 56 and 55. So from here to here it is 56, 56, and from here to here is 55, 55. R88, R52. So draw, create arc, 3-point arc, this point here, second point here, third point here. Then this value is 88, 88. Then use tangent, these two are tangent. Again tangent, yes, and this tangent R88. one more dimension R52. So draw again, create arc, 3-point arc, first point, second point, third point here, tangent, tangent, give the value as 52, tangent, select tangent constraint, this and this. So this figure also completed. Finish sketch, check the area 7504.241. So by this we have completed all the assignment on regarding this lecture here. Thanks for watching. Thank you. We will meet in the next video.